This video would have been a 10-part series or 3 hours long. The wheel bearing went out. The wheel started wobbling real bad. I replaced the universal joint back there and the universal joint up here. But instead of replacing the wheel bearing, I ordered the whole assembled kit for $500. It undo the leaf spring, undo the trailing arm, which have those washers in there, washers on each side, spacers, whatever you want to call them. Unbolt it from the main assembly. I have to hook the shock back up. And this bar here for aligning the wheel. It was a job.